How to remove or change Apple ID from iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you remove or change Apple ID from iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the top, simply tap on your Apple account. Now from here, from the Apple account section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on sign out. Now from here, you'll have to enter your Apple account password. After you enter your Apple account correct password, you'll have to just start a security delay like it will exit for 1 hour. After 1 hour, your iPhone Apple ID will be completely removed, and from this way, you can again add a new Apple ID on your iPhone. After that, you'll be able to access or change Apple ID from your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.